Are you over 40 or over 50 and you notice that your face is falling? Well, I am right there with you. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. I have a very simple trick for you. I'm telling you, change this one thing in your makeup routine. You're going to be shocked what a difference it's going to make, and it's going to look like you got a facelift. I'm 57, so I know a little bit about sagging skin on your face. Do me a favor, in the comments, tell me your age and whether or not you have noticed your face falling. Oh my gosh, I certainly have. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put contour and blush on one side the regular way, and then on this side, I'm going to put it on using this one simple trick so that you can see the difference firsthand. Now, I don't use contour every single day. If you don't like to contour, just skip that part, but I am going to use it so that it'll make a bigger impact, especially with the bright lights. You'll be able to see it a whole lot clearer. So this side looks pretty. It looks like I have some definition. I've got a rosy cheek with the blush, but watch when I do it on this side, the difference it makes. Can you see the difference? I want to give you a visual. Imagine that there's a line that goes across your face and it runs along the bottom of your nose. Look at this. When you're applying makeup, if you keep all of your contour and your blush above that line, it draws the eye up. It looks like you've had a little bit of a facelift versus what we've been taught to do is smile, apply blush, and when you stop smiling, it falls down. So everything that you put falls down like a half an inch, sometimes even an inch, depending on how much gravity has taken over. So imagine that there's a line across your face and you keep all of your blush and contour above that line. Well, now I have to fix my makeup so that both sides match. But I want to know if this is something that you're going to try. Let me know down in the comments. And everything that I used, I will link in the description below so you can find that there, including my jewelry. So I hope you'll look in the description below. And if you like more super simple makeup tips for our mature skin, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.